Hi everybody, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. Today I'm doing old money makeup look and I'm going to add an outfit of the day at the end of it. If you're interested, then please keep on watching, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much, and if you can like this video. So what exactly is this old money trend that is going around? So first of all, I think that it's more popular in like fashion area on more fashion platforms. It's looking like an extremely rich people that got money from their ancestors. This look, this aesthetic, it's about quiet luxury, about timeless fashion, timeless makeup trends. It's about buying luxurious items and less. So it's not about cheap high fashion trends, like a high makeup trends. Like, it's something that suits you as a person, makeup that suits your face, your skin, your hair, fashion that suits your body type. So something that suits you 30 years from now almost. Okay, so I'm starting with Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer to prep my skin, because I really want my skin to look very healthy, nourished, glowy. And I'm focusing this primer on the perimeters of my face. For my foundation, I'm using this tester actually. It's Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Long Wear Makeup with SPF 20. And I've tried this one yesterday and I really loved it, so I really wanted to try it again, because I may buy it, you know. So it's dripping all over. Okay, that's a mess. That's alright. So I just started applying it using my fingers, but now I'm going to actually blend it in with my round kabuki brush from Sigma. With this trend, it's just something about timeless, very natural beauty, and I really like that. It's almost no makeup, but glam. I really like this foundation because it gives me enough coverage for every day, but at the same time it keeps my skin very radiant and light. And this is in the shade 2 Desert Beige, and I think that it suits me just like it's on point. So then I'm gonna use the smallest amount of Charlote Tilbury's corrector in medium, just like right here in my inner corner. I'm just using my finger to melt in the product, just here in the outer corner as well. For my concealer, I'm using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and again, I don't want to use too much. I'm using literally like the smallest amount of concealer. I can always add more if I feel that I need to. And I'm not blending this concealer way up to my eyes. I'm actually staying a little bit below because it looks way more natural and my eyes are looking way bigger. Then I'm continuing with MAC Paint Pot. This is in soft ochre and it's a really nice eyeshadow base. Then I'm setting my makeup just a tiny bit with Pat McGrath Labs. This is Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. If you want a powder that is undetectable on your skin, then I'm highly recommending this one, especially if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, then this may not be enough for you, but if you have normal to dry skin, then you will love this one. So I'm just going a little bit on my eyelids, in between my brows, around my nose, on my nose, and also underneath my eyes. For my bronzer, I'm using Pat McGrath Labs Again Divine Bronzer, and I really like this one because it blends in so seamlessly. This is actually in the shade Naked Desire, and I don't want to use too much of this bronzer, just like a tiny bit, so that I can get a color back to my face. Everything that I'm using on my face, I'm using on my neck as well, but in a very small amount. And then I'm just going on my nose. For my blush, I decided to use this one. This is from Milani Baked Blush, and it's in the shade Luminoso. This is the most luxurious looking blush ever, and it's a powder form, but you don't really need any highlighter after using this blush, because it makes your skin look so like not necessarily glowy, but like it has that sheen to it. So I'm applying this blush in a very traditional way on the apples of my cheeks and just a little bit higher. I think that these shades are perfect for this trend because it's almost a neutral, it's not too childish, it's not like a pink, but it's not, because it's a spring, summertime, it's not too dull. It gives the life to your face and this expansive looking skin. And I'm going just a little bit above my brow arch with this blush. And also I'm using the smallest amount again on my neck. For my brows, I'm gonna actually use brow powder, which I haven't for a while on myself, because this is a very like old money type of, you know, back in the day doing your brows. So I'm using this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the lightest shade. And also I want my brows to look very natural but done up, you know, so I'm just using a very small amount where I feel that I really need to add a little bit more, but I'm keeping this inner part of my brows really natural, and I don't want to change my brow shape too much. It's all about enhancing the beauty that you already have, not to completely change your face. So you can see that my brows are now still looking very natural, like I haven't done much to them, but at the same time it looks just better if you ask me. So I'm using 24-hour brow setter from Benefit just to set my brows in place so that they do not move throughout the day too much, because if your brows are neat, then you are neat. This should be a quote, like makeup quote. Okay, and for my highlighter, I'm choosing Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Elevated Glow highlighter. This just makes everything look better, in my opinion. It's the most luxurious item, I mean makeup product, in my opinion. It's just incredible how it transforms your skin and it looks really nice in person, and that's very important because when you're up close with someone you want to look like that, not far away or on pictures. Again, I'm using that bronzer on my eyes because I want everything to look very cohesive and so that everything ties in, almost monochromatic. So I'm using this bronzer on my crease, like very, very lightly on my hooded area. Then I'm using that blush also on my crease. You just want to add the smallest amount. That's a key thing to remember. So I've got these eyeshadow crayons from Luxaza, and I think they suit this trend because they are very natural, very sheer. So I've got 3 shades. The first one is in the shade Creole Pink, and then the next one, which I really like, the shade, it's Sheer Lilac Shimmer. It's a really pretty lavender-like sheer shimmery eyeshadow. And then this is a nice one as well. It's Cream Puff Shimmer. Almost like a yellowy champagne type of shimmer. And I'm gonna use actually this one. I'm gonna use it in my inner corner. I just want to brighten up that inner part of my eyes. You can see that it still looks very natural and not overpowering. And I'm going to add this one on my brow bone. Actually, I'm gonna use that lavender type of shade on my eyelids because it's so sheer, but at the same time it's gorgeous shade. And then I'm going to see how it wears. Now I'm using mascara that I absolutely love. From all the mascara reviews, this is actually a very old mascara from MAC. It's a tubing mascara. It's called Extended Play Giga Black Lash. It's the only one that it's not smudging at all and that it gives me an actual result with my lashes. A little bit of length, a little bit of volume. I would still like to find one that it would give me more volume and that wouldn't smudge, but for now this is the one that I absolutely love and enjoy for every day. This is gorgeous. I have to say that if you don't have like a big problems with mascara smudging on you, then I recommend this one a lot. This is gorgeous. This is the best mascara ever when you apply it. It gives you such a gorgeous result. It's ridiculous, but unfortunately it smudges on me as well. Not like crazy, but a little bit. But with this one I don't need to worry about my mascara. Okay, so I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I wouldn't do that normally for every day, but I would say this is very old money type of step. I would say that you cannot get wrong with pillow talk for old money type of makeup look, or something very similar. So I'm using Pillow Talk lip liner and then Pillow Talk lipstick on top. Basically you want a perfect nude lipstick, almost a vibrant nude. Like, you don't want very cool tone nude for that. But to make it a little bit more modern, I would use lip gloss on top. So I have this one from L'Oréal Paris in the shade Soar. Everything is down below so you can check it out. So it's this one. And I'm just going over. Then I'm using Milani Make It Last Dewy Finish Spray. You can see that this bottle is like totally crap, but I really like the fine mist and that dewiness. And then I think that the final touch are false eyelashes, and I have ones from Kiss, and I would like really recommend using individual ones, or at least the ones that are like 3 together, not like the whole strap of false eyelashes, because that looks way more luxurious and natural. So I'm using the longer set on the outer corners, and then of course the shorter set next to it basically that's that. I've already applied this ring. I believe gold is very appropriate for this look. Then I'm using these earrings. These are actually from Zara. Then I'm using my new perfume. This is Libre from Yves Saint Laurent. I love this one. This is so nice. Then I have these, but I think they may not look the best because I have small ears, and sometimes with this second hole, is this too much or it's alright? And I'm going to show you the outfit that I picked for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this new version of video with my outfit of the day that choose the makeup. If you're into this, if you want me to do more videos like that, then please comment down below. If you try this makeup trend as well, please comment down below. If you hate this makeup trend, then please comment down below, or this trend in general. I'm up for debate. Yeah, so have a lovely day and see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.